Today's tech tip is about the ability to see version history in documents on Google. Many of us know that G Suite tools save automatically, but those tools also have the ability to see every revision that was made in a document, slideshow, sheet, or drawing. What are the benefits of this? You can revert to old versions. You could see when, how it was changed, and who changed the document. You can track those changes, and you can also name different versions of a document. So, this video will show you how to find version history and how to name your important versions. Teach this skill to students. It's a very valuable skill to have when working in Google Docs. So to view version history, you can go File, down here to Version History, and click on that. See version history. Another way to get to it, which I just learned today, is up in the top where it says All Changes Saved in Drive. If you click on that, it'll show you the version history as well. So when you're in the version history, let's just go down the right-hand side here. You can have it only show named versions. So I haven't showed you how to name them yet. We'll get to that. Down here, for today, every change that I have made is documented. And down at the bottom, it says Show Changes. So I have Show Changes done. You can see that my name is here as the editor, and the color associated with me is this green color. So as I click through, it'll highlight the changes that I made as we go through. And we can click on different ones. Some of them I've made changes, some of them I haven't. Here, I actually restored a version because I accidentally deleted a slide. So I went back and found it from before. So you can see who has made the changes. And if there was more than one person on each making revisions, they would have different colors and you could see what they've done. Now there's a lot of changes that I've made. So you could name a version here. So if I click the three dots over here, I can do Name This Version, and this will be my final copy. And then if I have it only show named versions, it's only going to show that final copy. I could see using this as maybe if I was in a writing class, I could come down here and name this one. I just clicked on it and I could name this first draft. And then maybe this one would be my, second draft or the peer edit copy. And then if I have it only show the named versions, then I can click through. This was my first draft. Here's the peer edit version where maybe people made comments, and then here's my final product. So it's a pretty cool tool to be able to use. So what does it look like in a document? I have here an investigative journalism article that a student worked on. Right here, I can see the student's changes, the things that were added or highlighted, the things that were deleted or crossed out and changed. So you can look through a document and see what changes have been made. You can always click Restore this version and it will make that the most recent version. That's how I recovered my slideshow from yesterday. So we can see what changes they made, who made those changes, and name our versions. Teach this skill to students. It really helps them to be organized, and it can help you in looking at student work. Have a great day.